I'm Adam Greenwood, I'm the head of school here at ADS, and what I love most about our school is the diversity. We are a Greek Orthodox school, of course. I'm a British head, I've lived in several countries across the world, and I love the fact that this school is a cultural melting pot. Out of our 170 students, we have 27 nationalities represented. So that brings a really unique character to the school and just a real range of experiences and a true global perspective, which I think is a wonderful place for a child to grow up there, appreciating not just the diversity of Atlanta and the United States, but what you can find on every single continent, and the different political aspects that brings, the different cultural ideas from food to dress to religion. I think it's absolutely wonderful and a great place for a child to grow up.
Hi, I'm Allie, I'm the pre-K teacher, and what I love most about ADS is the small class sizes because they really allow us to differentiate when we teach skills based on level.
Hi, my name is Desiree Hernandez and I'm the 4th and 5th grade teacher here at ADS. I teach ELA and social studies. And what I love most about ADS is how much the kids love and respect one another and their love for God.
Hi, my name is Melissa Saha. I'm the lead teacher in the 2-year-old classroom here at Annunciation Day School. I've taught here at this school for 21 years. The thing I like most about Annunciation Day School is coming in each morning and seeing these bright young faces, eager to come in, happy to come to school, happy to see me, and being a part of this very beginning of their education. I love ADS, and I think you will too.
Hi, my name is Miss Parker. I'm the middle school social studies teacher, and what I love best about ADS is how welcoming this community has been and how accepting they are of all faiths and all walks of life, and how wonderful they have all been to me because I'm a new teacher.
Hi, my name is Joanna Gordon and I am your school administrator. What I love most about Annunciation Day School is working closely with our wonderful families and seeing the children grow and flourish each year. It's a joy to be part of their journey, and I am constantly inspired by the dedication and worth of our wonderful teachers.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Benzer. I am the middle school English language arts teacher. I've been teaching here at ADS now for this is my 4th year. And the reason I love ADS so much is mainly the students. I'm so lucky to have taught so many great kids. Each year we get new great kids, returning kids, and everyone I've met so far has been wonderful. I really enjoy working here, and the people I work with as well are also wonderful.